Okay, dear students, see we are in exercise 3.1. In the last class we have completed 5 questions, 5 problems, and 6th question onwards now we are going to finish. We will finish this exercise in this class only. Total 10 questions are there, 6 to 10 we are going to finish. See the 6th question what they have given. Find the values of x, y, z of the following equations. Okay. See here they are giving matrices and now calling at equations. Why? Because see equal to symbol is there. Both are separate questions. 3 questions are there. I have written 2 questions. Let us finish these 2. Then we go for third part. Okay. Sixth question, third part. We will see afterwards. See these are matrices only. Matrix, matrix, matrices. But because of equal to symbol, therefore they are calling these as equations. Okay. We know equal matrices. Equal matrices means number of columns, number of rows should match and each element also should match. Then only this is going to be called as equal matrices. Now he himself has given that equal to means these are equal matrices. When these are equal matrices, then automatically this element is equal to this one. This element is equal to this one. Like that we can take. Here simply you can write x is equal to y something, x is equal to something, y is equal to something like. But here some equation form is there. Then we have to solve equation also. Okay. Let us see. Solve this. Okay. Let us take first part. First part let us take. See x, y, z is asked. First you see x is y 1. X is equal to 1. That's all. Why? Because any other area x is there to prove 2 times? No, not there. Then x is 1 fixed. That's all. Then y also you see a11, a11. This is a21, a21. Okay, element. Okay. Now y is equal to 4. This is also over. Now z also 3. Okay, see here. X plus y is equal to 6. You take x plus y is equal to 6. Okay. Then xy is equal to 8. This also you have to take. Okay. Now you can solve this. You may get x or y value in quadratic equation. Okay. Let us see xy is equal to 8. Then shall I take x is equal to 8 by y? Or I will take y. Let us find x. Y is equal to 8 by x. Okay. Now you substitute here. X plus y is equal to 8 by x. 8 by x is equal to 6. Okay. X square plus 8. X square plus 8 divided by x is equal to 6. Okay. X square plus 8 is equal to 6x. Or else finally x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. This will be the final your quadratic equation. Let us find factors. Okay. 1 into 8. 8. 1, 8. No, 6 is not going to come. 2, 4, 8 and 2 plus 4, 6 is going to come. If you put minus 2, minus 4, then minus 6 is going to come. Minus 2 into minus 4, 8 is going to come. You can split to minus 2, minus 4. Okay? Write down x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Now two values are going to come like. Take x minus 4, x square minus 4x. Okay? When you have taken x minus 4, here also you have to take x minus 4. Okay, then how? Minus 2. Is it okay? Minus 2x minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. Okay? Okay. Then you write x minus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. See, x, two values are there. Okay, x two values are there. You can write x2 or 4. We will do in two types. When x is equal to 2, comma, y is equal to, see here x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, then y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x. Okay, that means 6 minus 2, 4. That means when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Okay. Z is equal to 5 plus z is equal to 5. Or else I will write like this again. 5 plus z is equal to 5, comma, z is equal to 0. How? Why? Because z is equal to 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. Now we have got all the three. You have got all the three. But see, this is when x is equal to 2. Here another option is there, x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6 minus x. 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. Okay, now z also you write, we will write 3. Z, see, z you don't have any other option. Z is equal to 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Z is 0 only. Write down all the three. Then write all the three. X is equal to 4, comma, y is equal to 2, comma, z is equal to 0. Okay, this will be your second answer. See, second part of this question having two answers. One answer is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 0. Another answer is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0. These two answers are, we have to write. These two answers are. Let us go for third part also. We will see third part also we are going to finish. See the question. Same, ninth question only, but third part. Sorry, sixth question only, third part. Okay. Now you have to find x, y, z from these equations. Okay. If you see carefully here, this is 3 by 1 matrix. 3 by 1. 3 rows, 1 column. Okay. But if you observe carefully, 3 equations are there like. 3 equations are there, 3 variables are there. 3 equations, 3 variables we can find. But you see carefully here, x plus y plus z, this equation, first if you take, you cannot find anything. That is what you have to do. First you solve these two equations. Then at least one value is going to come, or else some equation is going to come. This equation again you substitute here. Okay. Like that you have to think. Okay. Let us do. See, y plus z is bigger. That is why you first write y plus z. Y plus z is equal to 7. Then x plus z is equal to 5. Okay. Now you minus it. Subtraction. Why? Because y I am subtracting. Z is going to get cancelled. Like that you have to think. Then y minus x is equal to 2. Is it okay? Why? Because z minus z is going to get cancelled. Y minus x is equal to 2. Z minus z is equal to 0. 7 5 minus 5 is equal to 2. Y minus x is equal to 2 has come. Okay. Now how can you use this equation for this equation to find? Okay, how? See, y is equal to x plus 2 you can write. That you do now. Write down. With this equation, you also can write y is equal to x plus 2. That's all. Okay, now this y is equal to x plus 2 is substituted in this. X plus y plus z is equal to 9. First you write down x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Okay. Then y is equal to x plus 2. Then write x plus y in place of y, x plus 2. Plus z is equal to 9. Okay, now you write 2x plus z is equal to this 2, that side it goes 7. Is it okay? 9 minus 2, 7. 2x plus z. What is advantage? Why? Because see, x plus z already we have got 5. X plus z is equal to 5. 2x plus z is equal to 7. Then we can find easily. You write down. x plus z is equal to 5. Okay. Put minus. Why again my subtraction? Z has going to get cancelled. That is why. 2x minus x is x. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now one value you have got x is equal to 2. Okay. See, if x is equal to 2 is there, then you substitute here, z is going to come. When z has come, you substitute here, y is going to come. That's all. Okay. You need not go again this formula. Okay. Let us substitute. X plus z is equal to 5. Okay. Comma. 2 plus z is equal to 5. Comma. Z is equal to 3. Is it okay? Why? Because 5 minus 3. Box it. X, Z. Okay. Both have come. See, X is there, Z is there. Now you have to find Y. Y also you need not go here. You see this is simplest. Y plus Z is equal to 7. Write down again. Y plus Z is equal to 7. Then Z you know. Y plus 3 is equal to 7. Y is equal to 4. Is it okay? Y is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. That's all. Okay. You have got all the 3 values x, y, z from this third part also. Okay. Like this you have to solve. Okay. Here what you have to do, one value has come means again you have to see any other equation is there. Same. If 2 equations are there, 2 values are different means then you have to think what options are there in objective type question. In subjective type question, okay. Normally. Okay. Let us go for 7th question. See the 7th question. Find the values of A, B, C and D. See, 4 values you have to find. That means minimum 4 equations you require. But are they given? Yes, they have given. You see, A minus B, 2A minus B, 2A plus C, 3C plus D. 4 equations you can have. 4 equations you have to solve to find 4 variables. A, B, C, D are here variables. Okay. See, normally A, B, C, D we use for coefficients. But here we can say these are not coefficients, variables like. Okay. Normally XY we use for XYZ we use for variables. But here A, B, C, D we have used for variables. Okay. Let us see. See, before proceeding, you see A minus B is there, then at least another equation A or B should be there. Then that equation you have to take and solve. If both are A, B has come, okay. Or else at least A plus C or B plus C equation you have to take. But here logically, luckily A minus B, 2A minus B is there. Which one you take first? You take 2A minus B is equal to 0, then A minus B is equal to minus 1. Why? Because this is bigger. 2A minus B is equal to 0. Then A minus B is equal to minus 1. This equation you have to take. Okay. Then you put minus. Why subtraction? You see, subtraction if we make B, we going to get cancelled. At least one we have to eliminate. 2A minus A is equal to 0 minus of minus 1, 1. Then you got one value. A is equal to 1. Okay. Box it. A is equal to 1 we have got. See, with the same equation A minus B is equal to minus 1, you can find B also. Find A minus B is equal to minus 1. Then A you have got 1 minus B is equal to minus 1. Send B that side. Send 1 this side. Okay, 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2. That means B is equal to 2. This will be your second variable. Okay, A, B. Now you see any third equation A or B contains, you see here A it contains. Now these two equations are over. Here third equation A, 2A plus C is there. That means A you know. If you substitute A, automatically C is going to come. Like that you have to think and proceed. Okay. Let us do 2A plus C is equal to 5. But you know A value. 2 into 1 plus C is equal to 5. Okay, this is 2. If you send that side, C is equal to 5 minus 2. C is equal to 3. Now A, B, C all over. Let us go for this fourth one. 3C plus D. Why? Because C you know, then you substitute, then D you are going to get. Write down. 3C plus D is equal to 13. Okay. Then C you know. 3 into 3 plus D is equal to 13. 3 into 3 is 9. You send that side, D is equal to 13 minus 9. Then D is equal to 4. Okay. Now you got all A, B, C, D, 4 values. Okay. Like this you have to solve this question. Shall we go for 8th question? Okay. Okay. See the 8th question. This is objective type of question. Then A, B, C, D, they have given any one answer you have to put. Okay. Now you see this is standard practice only. Matrices we have given A, I, J, M, N is standard. But even if they don't write also, if A is a square matrix, if M, N, they are asking like, why? Because these are standard practices. For becoming a square matrix, like if you write also, then you have to see this answer. What will be the answer? C will be the answer. Why? Because see, for square matrix, rows and columns will be the same. M is equal to N. M is equal to N. Okay. Then what you are going to put to answer? C you are going to put to answer. M is equal to N. Okay. Square matrix, number of rows and number of columns both are same. 1 into 1 is square matrix, 2 into 2 is square matrix, 3 into 3 is square matrix, 4 into 4 is square matrix. Like that, square matrix will be there. Okay. Let us go for 9th question. See the 9th question. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? See, which values are going to make these two matrices are equal, like he's telling, but he has not put equal symbol. That means this may be equal, may not be equal. That you have to keep in your mind. You have to understand the question carefully. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? He is asking, but he has not put equal symbol. 3x plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 0. And another one, x1 we have to take, x here. Okay, these two you have to take and solve. Then this is going to become x value. Here you have to find both x and y. For y, here also two equations are there. If you make equal, okay, try. If answer comes, then you write x, y value. If answer doesn't come, then this is going to become not possible to find one. That is very important. Why? Because let us see. First you write these two equations. X1, 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Then you see 3x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. Is there any value? X is equal to minus 7 by nothing. 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. Okay. Now 3x is equal to same minus 2. 3x 2 minus 4 plus 3x 2 minus 4 minus 2. Then x will be minus 2 by 3. See, x value, two values are coming. X minus 2 by 3 is there, x minus 1 by 3 is there, x minus 1 by 3, but minus 7 by 3 is not there. Okay. Here itself we can say that not possible to find, but even then we will see y also. Let us see y. Y minus 2 is equal to 5. Y is equal to 7. Okay. Y plus 1 is equal to 8. Y is equal to 7. Okay. That means y should be 7. Y 7. Y 7. Y minus 2 by 3. See, this is not the answer. First of all. Okay. Now you see y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. But x is equal to minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Shall we take this one? No. Why? Because see, x value, two values have come. what we have to put? We have to put this one. Not possible to find. Why? Because x we are unable to find. Two values are coming. Two values are there means see these two values they have to give in one option. Or like. Or else this is not correct answer. Okay. Let us go for 10th question. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 and 1 is. Okay. Okay. See how many varieties of elements you have to write? Two varieties. Why? Because see all elements may be 0 or 1. 0 or 1. 0 or 1. Two varieties are there. Okay. I am writing two varieties as 2. Okay. Varieties 2. Okay. Why? Because 0 and 1. Okay. Total how many elements are there? 3 by 3 matrix means total elements 9 will be there. See 9 elements are there. Two varieties you have to take. Then how it comes? 2 power 9. Okay. See what if they change this 3 by 3 or order and all? How it has come this formula? How to derive? In examination, if they twist this question, are you going to answer? How to tackle this type of question? You see, this may be bigger number and bigger configurations, but such type of questions comes means you apply your brain and first initially small numbers you take and solve. Then you are going to get the formula. Okay, see if you have time or else if you remember this formula, it is okay. Okay, you see 9 elements are there. Rather than 9 elements, what we do? We take 2 elements, 3 elements. 2 elements I have taken first. 2 varieties are there. That means these varieties are 0, 1. Okay. Okay. Now 2 elements are there. Then how you write 2 elements? You see, you may write like this: 0, 0, one option, 1, 1, another option. 2 elements. Another one is 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Okay. You see, rather than these 4 options, any other options can you make? You simply have to think logically. But because all zeros, all ones, 1 over. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 over. If you consider about 0, 2 zeros, 1 0 first, 1 0 next. No 0. That's all. If you consider 1, all ones, 1, 1, 1, 1. No 1. That's all. 4 options. Now see how this formula is there. 2 variety, 2 elements, matrices. See these are matrices. 4 matrices. How many have come? 4 have come. Okay. Now let me take 3. Why? Because see I am same 2 variety only I am taking here 0, 1. And elements now 3 means 3 will come. 1 by 3. Matrices how many will come? We will see. See 3 means first you see how I am writing. 0, 0, 0. This is 1. 1, 1, 1. This is 1. Okay. See horizontally, vertically both are same. Now it has become 1 by 3. Now 3 by 1 also you can write, but number of elements are same means you don't have any problem. Okay. Okay. All 3 zeros. Now what I am doing? 2 zeros but 1. What I am doing? 2 ones but 0. Okay. But 2 zeros now first have come. Then what I do? 2 zeros next I have make. Now here also 2 ones next I have make. Now 0 will be first and last. Then 1 will be first and last. Okay. All 0, first we consider 0. All zeros, then 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Then 2 zeros option is over. First, second, third, first. Over. Now you don't have any other option for 2 zeros. Then 1 0 is their chance. Write down 1 0. 1 0 means what you can write? You see here 1 0 already came. 1 0 first also you have to write. Okay, you write first 0 1. Oh yeah, first 0. 1 0 is also there. 1 0 is also there. You see, 2 zeros, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0. 1 0 first, 1 0 middle, 1 0 last. That's all. 1 0 also over. Then no 0. No 0 also is there. You see. That means with 0 all finished. Now we go for 1. 1 1 1. Okay. 2 ones. Okay. 2 ones also there. Then 1 1. 1 1 is also there. You see here 1 1. 1 1 first, 1 1 middle, 1 1 last. Then no 1. No 1 is also there. You see zeros. Rather than these 8 options, any other option you can put. No, that means here 8 has come. Matrices, number of matrices. Now you need not to go further with these two statements. You can find the formula. You see, variety is 2, elements are 2, then 4 has come. Variety is 2, elements are 3, then 8 has come. 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 2, 4. Okay. Then variety is 2. Okay, 2 I have written. Elements are 9. You see, 3 into 3, 9. 9. That is equal to 512. Okay. If like this, if you know conceptually, then even if they twist also this question in your examination, you are going to answer properly, correctly. Okay. Okay. Now we have finished this 3.1 exercise. Matrices. What we do, several concepts are there. We will go for further concepts and we will do 3.2 exercise also. Okay. We will see concepts will take one class, means let us finish in one class. Or else concepts are less. Then we will start with along with concepts, even exercise also, 3-point exercise. Okay. Thank you very much.